Hello dear ones, today a recipe for delicious baked baguettes with mozzarella and salami. As always at the start of new viewers, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Remember to click the bell to stay up to date with my recipes. I present a list of the needed ingredients. You can find the same list in the description under the video. I also add a link to the blog under the video. This is where you'll find all of my recipes. I've already prepared 3 half baguettes that I cut myself. Additionally, we'll need 2 spoonfuls of melted butter, 2 cloves of garlic crushed in a press, a little bit of herbe de Provence, salt and pepper. Mix it all together and put aside the garlic butter for a little while. Now we're going to get the baguette prepared. I've already sliced the baguettes earlier. Remember not to cut them all the way through. Insert a half slice or whole slice of salami and a little slice of mozzarella into the middle of the baguette. Press everything into the center of the baguette. Make these incisions about every centimeter up to 2 centimeters maximum, and do this for each baguette. The baguettes are almost ready. All that is left is to baste them with the previously prepared butter. On top, I also add a little bit of the remaining mozzarella for this portion. And this is how the baguettes look before being baked. They already look very appetizing. I'm going to bake my baguettes in an instant fryer, and I highly recommend this fryer. Here I'll need 1 large compartment, so I'll remove this divider. Of course, if you were to bake a small bun, for example, you could use only half of this fryer. You don't have to warm up the entire fryer, which is a huge advantage. So we can use it for both larger and smaller portions. As for this tool, it is perfect during summer because it doesn't warm up the entire kitchen compared to an oven. As we all know, the oven intensely heats up our rooms, which is quite inconvenient in the summer. In terms of this device, I've added a link to the store below the video where you can find more information. I personally highly recommend using it. I use it practically every day, even to reheat meals. When it comes to baguettes, I set the air fryer option to 8 for 6 minutes at 180 degrees. If you're going to do it in a traditional oven, set it to 200 degrees and bake until the cheese is nicely browned. In terms of this device, I almost forgot to mention that compared to an oven, it's much cheaper because it consumes less electricity. After 6 minutes, my baguettes are already beautifully golden, so be sure to prepare it. I decorate it with chives, serve with ketchup or your favorite sauces. Prepare this for a quick lunch or a warm dinner. Everyone will be delighted. Goodbye. Of course, I invite you to watch my future content. Hear from you soon.